This procedure is about reconstituting and compounding systemic anti-cancer therapies, typically drugs such as Herceptin and rituximab, administered subcutaneously. For the procedure itself, you will need a chemo cap and a chemo male. I'd like to point out that once both of these devices have been connected, they cannot be disconnected for safety reasons. Your hospital policy should be followed in terms of use of PPE and your cleaning procedures. I'm now going to talk you through the procedure. This vial is for demonstration purposes. The cap is removed. Clean the vial with the alcohol wipe for 30 seconds. Whilst it's drying, we would then connect the chemo male to the end of the syringe. Once it's connected, it cannot be removed. We would then connect the chemo cap to the top of the vial, hearing that click and snug fit described. As this is sterile out of the packet, it does not need to be re-cleaned. We then connect the male to the bayonet connection on the female. Drug manufacturers' guidelines will be followed in terms of reconstituting the product. We then aspirate back the fluid into the syringe. To disconnect, simply hold the neck of the male, twist and disconnect. The drug is then ready to be administered, and we will demonstrate this in the next clip.